Hey guys, Last Dog Miner here, and I just recorded my first tutorial for port forwarding. Oh, it's already done publishing. Yay, I can upload it. I'm gonna do that in a couple minutes, or actually probably after this thing finishes. Digimon. Anyways, this is Minecraft.net. To make a Minecraft vanilla server, which I'm also going to, as you can see, fuck off and fuck off. Right here, 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 and here, I'm also going to do Bukkit, Modded, and Spigot. Now, Bukkit and Spigot are two separate things, but I'll explain more of that in the Spigot video. For vanilla, all you have to do is buy Minecraft. Once you have bought Minecraft, you log in up here. Don't hack my account. I don't know why it doesn't have my Minecraft account saved, but I guess everybody knows my email, so if I was gonna get hacked, it would have been done already. Wait, no. I keep trying to put in my normal account password, but they didn't let me change it to that. I keep forgetting. Okay, since you've bought Minecraft, ignore this. Yes, save, because I don't want to do that again. Ignore this thing, because if you buy it again, you're fucked. Go to download. Now, once you're on download, it'll say you already own Minecraft. Download the game here. Buy Minecraft as a prepaid gift. This is Windows 10 edition code that came with your game purchase, but nah, just click download. Now, you'll already need to own PC Minecraft to play the full version. If you haven't bought it already, go here and buy it quick. Download and install Minecraft.exe, blah blah blah. That's what you click that for. But I think you all already know how to install Minecraft. So, you can do this. The easiest option for making a server is Minecraft Realms, but if you don't want to pay for it, like my friends I was just recording a thing with, you're going to want to do this. You're going to want to open this, download it. By the way, they do have a wiki article, but it's semi-confusing, so I'm going to show this off. And you're going to want to run it with this following command. Now, how you do that is... Okay, so I'm going to have to move that to the vanilla file, but first you're going to want to do create new text document. Just leave it as new text document because you're going to save it as something else later. Okay, now you're going to... Fuck. Didn't. Copy, paste. Okay, there we go. You've got Java. This is the megabytes that it uses. You can turn that up to 3000 to make it so that you have 3 gigabytes of RAM dedicated to your server. And then this is what runs the actual server. jar Minecraft._server jar. And the no GUI just means it doesn't show up. Okay, now you're going to want to save as, how do I do this? You're going to want to do run.bat, but I don't know if this will work because I did it wrong. Close. Did it work? Yes, it did. Now you're going to have a batch file. Now, once you get this downloaded, you're going to want to click Show in Folder, take that, copy, cut and paste, or just move it like I did, and click Run. Now, fucking hell. Now you can edit it from inside, which is what I'm going to do because it's not working for some reason. Minecraft_server. Oh, that's why. Minecraft_server, you're going to want to put .1.11.2, or what right here is wherever you put your IP, or not IP, version number. So you do that because it has to be the exact same name as this jar file, and you click Run. Now it's going to do that, and then it's going to do a bunch of random crap that shows up, and then you get EULA. You're going to want to change that to true because you can't run a server without agreeing to their EULA, which I'm going to actually look at now and show it off to you guys because I don't even know it, but I know some things about it. In order to protect it, we set out some license games, basically so that they don't get sued because people are complaining that they're getting bullied. For those who live in the United States, there's the thing. Under the agreement, we use a neutral arbitrator. We also agree that class action lawsuits and class-wide arbitrations are not allowed under the terms of the agreement. Basically, if you want to sue Minecraft for something after making something, don't. The one major rule is that you must not distribute anything we've made unless we specifically agree to it. By distribute, we mean give copies of our game. I have never done that. Make commercial use of anything we've made, basically upload it to Mediafire. I have not done that. Some people have, and have probably gotten sued. Try to take money from anything we've made. Adfly, connected to Mediafire. Let other people get access to anything we've made in a way that is unfair or unreasonable. Using our game. I'm going to scroll down to the... Oh yeah, okay, anyways. Okay, anyways. Close that. Basically, let's go to this. One of the EULAs is that you can't, like on server sites, like Engine, you can't go on here and then on your server site make it that a higher paying player has Fly while the other doesn't. That's why smaller servers like CubeCraft cannot put Fly as a permission at all, because then they get sued by somebody for the EULA, because it doesn't protect against it. Okay, I'm just gonna... Okay, now you're going to want to close this and set it to save. Now your server properties haven't fully loaded, so you're going to want to run that again. Now once it loads this time, now actually, I did it the weird way. You could also just, I believe, once this stops preparing the spawn area, basically this is making your world. Then you type stop, it stops the server and everything, and you get that. I think you can just run it by clicking on it twice. Can you? Yeah, you can. And this is what shows up. Now it does that 1798 thing because it's like, oh, it starts creating this, and then it realizes it's already created, so it just skips it. I guess this is the rendering, and then this is the entities. Stop that. You're going to want to go to your server, make it noticeable for your friends to see, name it something cool, like cool Minecraft server. Now, Archon means you have to get a password to get in, well, or whitelist it. Whitelist is better than Archon, basically. Never do Archon unless you know how to do it, which even I don't. Now, you're going to want that as false if you want everybody to get in, but if you want it as true, you're going to set it to true. Now, I'm going to leave it false and just show you the commands to set it up once it's true. Allow flight true because sometimes people get glitched in blocks and then get kicked for it. Enable command block true, and then announce player achievements. You can turn that to false if you don't want it showing up in chat that somebody got benchmarking. So if you've got a big public server, set that to false. PvP, on a normal survival world, you're going to want false if you don't have keep inventory, but since I always have keep inventory, and I'm going to be showing you how to do it, keep it on true. Now, you're going to have your world here, your banned IPs, your banned players, your ops. Now, what you're going to want to do with that is, I'm going to stop running it from that because I don't want to waste 3 gigabytes of RAM on a normal Minecraft vanilla server. Okay, now you're going to want to do is whitelist. You can turn it on or off. Here, you just type on or off. But you do whitelist add, then the player's name to let them on once you have it on. And then it'll stay on there if you turn it off. So next time you turn it on, you don't have to add them again. Now, onto the annoying part. You've got game rules. You can edit this in-game if you up your player. You type that, you press enter, and it ops the person. Now once you do that, they can type in chat /game rule keep invent, and it is case sensitive, so keep inventory, just like shown there. Keep inventory true, so that nobody loses their items on death, and you can keep your PvP on. So do that. Now in console, never type a / because it'll automatically do world edit shite if you have a bucket server. I'm gonna look at this. Okay, just ignoring that. Nope, I'm recording, so I'm gonna just sit in here. Now you can stop this whenever you want, but I'm gonna show you some other commands. There's toggle downfall. Everybody knows of this one. It stops all the rain or turns on the rain if you want. There's also time set day, or you can set it to 6, 600, 6,000, I think it goes up to 24,000, because 24 hours in a day. But these are ticks, so it's a semi-weird thing. There's about 20 ticks per second, I believe. Now you're going to want to go, and in-game, there's also game rule mob griefing. Basically, this keeps creepers from blowing up, it keeps player TNT from blowing up. As far as I know, they might have not put that in. Now, you're going to want to set it to false if you're breeding villagers. Now, the reason is, if you're breeding villagers, they have to be able to break farms. They have to be able to harvest to breed with each other. Or, if you have it on true, you have to make trades with them frequently. And the annoying thing about that is they get full. So you're going to get screwed eventually, unless you make it often. Playing, singing. Nope. Playing, recording, tutorials. Now, once you've got all that set up, blah blah blah, you're gonna want to either give out your IP. Oh, after that, you're gonna want to port forward, but that's in my other video. That's going up before this. That's the funny thing. And now, once you've got this done, you can stop it, or you can let players play and stop. Now, another useful plugin or command is save-all. It automatically saves the world. You can do save-on so that it automatically saves, or save-off so that it doesn't. That way, if you have griefers, you can reset the world. But I keep it on because fuck it. I just keep backups. Now to back up your server, it's pretty easy. Just copy, paste, bring it over here, rename it Minecraft Server Vanilla Backup or some shite. Now, I'm not going to keep either of these folders, but you're going to want to keep them, obviously. You've got your world, and then your logs is where you go to see if anybody's hacked you or anything. Now you have to stop this to get your log open. Now you're going to want to look through this, see any commands that have been done by players, anything. Like that's console stuff, so you know if somebody's hacked your console, but that's only for hosting sites. If you host it from your computer, you don't have that problem. Problem is, you have to keep your computer on for these to run, which is why mine is a hosted server that's barely ever on. Now I'm going to do these 3 probably on a later date. Folder unfinished server tutorials. Just going to do that and move it there. Anyways, hope you all enjoyed. See y'all next time. Bye. I opened the wrong window.